Up Your Work Game with AI, Part 1. You want to crush it at work? Who doesn't, right? We're living in the age of AI, and let me tell you, this isn't some futuristic fantasy. It's here. It's now. And it's a game changer for anyone who wants to level up their career. This isn't about robots taking over. It's about you taking control and leveraging these incredible tools to enhance your skills and become an unstoppable force in your field. Today, we're diving into 6 practical ways you can harness the power of AI to skyrocket your productivity and become the absolute best at what you do. 1. Content creation on steroids. Unleash your inner Hemingway with AI. Content is king, but creating high-quality content can take a considerable amount of time and effort. But fear not, content creators. AI is here to supercharge your writing game. Tools like Grammarly and Hemingway are like having a world-class editor on call 24/7. They'll catch your typos, improve your grammar, and make your writing clearer, more concise, and more impactful. But it gets even better. AI-powered writing assistants like Jasper and Copy.ai can help you generate all sorts of content, from marketing copy and social media posts to even code snippets. 2. AI-powered learning and development. In today's rapidly evolving job market, continuous learning is non-negotiable. And you guessed it, AI can help you stay ahead of the curve. Platforms like Coursera and Udemy use AI to recommend courses and learning paths tailored to your interests, career goals, and skill level. AI can even assess your current skills and identify areas where you could benefit from further development. 3. Effective communication is crucial for success, but let's face it, meetings can be a time suck. AI tools like Otter.ai are here to help change that. These tools transcribe your meetings in real time, capturing every important point, so you can focus on the conversation instead of frantically taking notes. And the best part? They generate summaries of the key takeaways, so you don't have to waste time sifting through hours of recordings. 4. In the world of sales and marketing, it's all about finding the right leads and closing deals. AI is a game changer for sales and marketing professionals, providing the tools to identify and prioritize leads with laser precision. Tools like Salesforce Einstein use predictive analytics to tell you which leads are most likely to convert, so you're not wasting time chasing dead ends. And platforms like HubSpot and AdRoll use AI to analyze the performance of your marketing campaigns, optimize your ad spend, and deliver a killer return on investment. 5. Draft, summarize, and problem solve with AI language models. Similar to ChatGPT, Perplexity and Gemini can be used to draft, edit, and refine content for reports and presentations, as well as produce concise summaries of long documents. These tools can also generate ideas for projects and campaigns, or help with problem solving by engaging in conversational prompts. And lastly, for researchers, students, and anyone who needs to stay on top of the latest information, AI is a total game changer. Tools like Semantic Scholar and Google Scholar use AI to sift through mountains of research papers, articles, and publications, surfacing the most relevant and impactful information in seconds. No more endless scrolling through search results or manually combing through databases. AI can extract key data from these sources, saving you countless hours of manual data collection and analysis. So there you have it. 6 powerful ways AI can help you absolutely crush it at work. From automating those tedious tasks to supercharging your content creation and boosting your sales, AI is here to help you work smarter, not harder. This is just the tip of the iceberg. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative tools and applications that will transform the way we work. We hope these AI tools help you boost your productivity and achieve your career goals. Check out links below to explore these tools further. In Part 2, we will be covering benefits of AI for creatives and developers, so be sure to hit the bell to get notified. Thanks for watching.